Good morning! It's Sunday and we will have family breakfast kasi hindi kami nakapag-family dinner nung Friday kasi we watch footy and then yung mama na Dan nanonood din ng footy. So, punta kami sa Adelaide Hills ata, sabi na Dan. Yeah, doon kami mag-breakfast kasama yung mama tsaka stepdad niya, tapos yung kambal niya din at tsaka yung asawa ng kambal niya tsaka yung baby nila. Kami lang kasi nga yung kuya niya nagbakasyon nasa Amerika. Itong tripod na to, maganda siya guys kasi naano ko siya, na i-extend ko siya kasi para siyang selfie stick. Kaya lang, hindi siya ganun ka-sturdy. Like, feeling ko malalaglag yung camera ko. And ito, galing to sa ano ko, case, camera case ko. Kailangan ko siya lagyan ng ganyan kasi wala siyang ganito. It didn't come with this kasi it's for phones. Pero, yeah, it worked last night. Kaya lang natatakot ako baka malaglag yung camera ko. The tripod that I'm using right now is from GearBest. And this one is very sturdy. Like, secure na secure talaga yung camera ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa na Dan. Actually, we will stop by sa bahay ng mama niya. Iiwan ko yung lapi ko doon para mag-upload ng video. Kasi yung internet namin for some reason today, I actually started uploading this last night. And it's really slow, you guys. It's now 14%. And kagabi pa to nag-start mag-upload. 14% pa lang siya. So, sa bahay ng mama niya, sobrang bilis ng internet. Nakatry ako once doon. And we were there for, I think, 5 hours. 5 hours, dalawang videos yung na-upload ko. So, iiwan namin siya sa bahay nila. Uploading. And then, pupunta kami sa breakfast. So, yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa nila. Tapos na maligo yun eh. And by the way, I have been using yung perfume na, or cologne perfume na binigay sa akin ni Ann. Ang ganda guys, ang bango-bango. Hello. Ito oh. Ito. It is from Elizabeth Arden, yung Untold. Ang bango niya. I started using this just yesterday and yeah. Sobrang bango. Matagal na sa akin yan eh. Birthday gift pa yan ni Ann last year. Ngayon ko lang nagamit kasi I was using yung binigay sa akin ni Kath last year. Then ito. And yung binigay ng stepmom ni Dan na Daisy. Marc Jacobs pa. Yeah. You're almost ready. Yes. Beautiful weather today. Beautiful. Are we going home? Get the USB? Or where are we going? Catalina? Okay. Pupunta kami sa Catalina Asian Grocery. Grocery? Binilak na namin yung car seat kasi sa Sabado, sunduin ni Dan yung kuya at saka yung kuya niya, yung pamilya ng kuya niya. Uwi na sila ng Sabado. Mag-grocery shopping kami sa Asian Grocery. I need, can I get the snacks now? We don't have to do the video today.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Yeah, I'll get the snacks because we will be doing the Australian Tries Filipino snacks to have more in this tummy. We're feeding him. He's too skinny. We're feeding the skinny guy. Too skinny. Tumataba na si Don, babe. But we're planning to go to the gym. Char! Go to the gym. Hindi ko alam if I can do it. I should be able to do it. Like first thing in the morning. I have to sleep really early. Go there first thing in the morning. We don't know yet kung kailan kami magsisimula. Kasi kapag hindi ko siya sinamahan, hindi niya gagawin. So, I need to do it together. Pupunta sana kami sa Adelaide Hills. That was the plan yesterday as well. Pero hindi na tuloy. Oh, where? McLarenville. That's not Adelaide Hills, babe? Oh, sorry.
Adelaide Hills is Sterling. Wedding was. That's
Oh, okay. Pupunta sana kami sa McLarenville.
on the way to Victor Harbour's McLarenville.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but we didn't go kasi we don't have enough time. Dito kami sa Catalina Grocery. Tignan nyo guys. There you go. You want, what do you call that? Miswa. Miswa. It should be right here. It's good. Wait, let me find it. You want that paper roll?
Of course.
No? No, for your rolls. You don't want it? Okay. What is it? It's like a costume, is it? $6 for this. Ah, is it paper? Look at this, guys. Ano siyang gold watch. I think it's paper. It is paper.
No idea.
Marami sila dun sa autos. What is it? $2.45.
It must be for some religious thing, maybe. Or
I don't
tradition.
know. Maybe. Okay. What is this? Just a random leaf. They're out of my century tuna. No more century tuna for my... Dito na tayo sa snacks. I'll get done. Filipino snacks na try. Nothing interesting really, babe. They don't really have heaps. Like, that's Filipino.
You better buy it from India Trading. I got 4.
Yeah, tortillas is Filipino. 85 cents. I'll just get one of this. This is like, yeah, this is a Filipino one. I don't think they have it at Manila Trading.
Yeah.
Just one. And then we'll see what else they have. Hala, babe, the mamacita here. I need the tinola mix. Tinola mix. It's not here.
I think India
Perfect.
Trading it mix. I don't think they have
No,
it.
they don't have it as well. They ran out of tinola mix. That's adobo. That's adobo mix. Dito kami sa Hyundai. Hyundai. Ang daming sasakyan. Look at, yung iba hindi Hyundai. Mga second hand to. See, Mitsubishi, Ford, Nissan.
What year is that?
What, this one?
No, I'm just looking for it.
I like this. Yung mga may ganyan. I like that. This is a big one. They got the demos and the brand news. The brand new here, babe. The white one. I like white. Ooh, look how big this one is, babe. 4-day sale. It's on sale. Yeah, this one is brand new. How much is it? $39. Drive away. That's 40 grand.
Look at the legroom. It's not as much as the other.
The legroom. Not as much
But
as...
look at the seats. It's actually got seats at the back here.
Yeah. They just have like big seats, but
Oh,
no
there's seats
space.
here as well.
There's seats
There's
there?
3 rows of seats. Yeah.
No, I don't like that. Oh yeah. Hello, babe. This one, babe. 33. This one. Look how big that is. This is 33.9, so 34. This is not bad. And the back, heaps of space at the back. Look it. Look. Babe, Santa Fe. This
What about
one.
that
Wait,
IMAX.
a little turbo, babe?
That looks cool actually.
Yeah, it does. We lost
Bit
it.
small, but it looks cool.
Okay. Tucson. Well. Ooh, I like this one. Ito, white. Maganda talaga yung white. Oh, this one looks cool. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Is this Tucson? Santa Fe. Ito yung walang chair sa likod. Closed actually sila, pero open yung nila, yung labas. So, pwede kayong pumunta dito at tingin-tingin. Pero walang mag-entertain sa inyo. But yeah. Looks nice. Hello, dito kami sa Kmart. Print kami ng picture. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo ha. So, dito yung mga picture sa wedding. Gagawa kami ng mug. Natapos na namin yung mug. We're starting a new order. If it works. Wait. Can you do it, babe? Oh, there you go. Okay. So just print, right? Or do you want to browse?
I'll do prints.
Look at what they have. Which one? They have mini, not this. Prints and enlargements?
Yeah.
Instant?
Next day.
Next day?
No border.
No border. I accept. Select USB. Okay. USB. This is cool. Will you swipe?
Do this in the Philippines.
Nope. Maybe we do. Not that I know of.
This is your standard size 6x4s. We'll just do those for now.
Okay.
Can I do yours photos or?
Yeah. So, what are we doing? I'll select from here. Aww, look at us. Oops. Just kidding. You gonna print that? No, you don't like it. Be careful, babe, ha? My camera is on your lappy. Hello! We're home! Nagpa-print lang kami ng picture sa Kmart. And bukas namin siya i-claim. Pwede naman instant, pero how much is the instant, babe? How much each?
The photos?
Yeah.
10 cents.
Even if it's instant?
Oh, sure. 15, 20.
Yeah. Pero yung the next day na pick up is 10 cents. So yun. Anyway, ito yung mga nabili namin sa Asian grocery. Hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo yung mga snacks kasi we will do a video, but I got century tuna, flakes and oil. Isa na lang yung natira. Meron doon hot and spicy. So wala, yan lang yung kinuha ko. And then I got condensed milk. Gusto kong gumawa ng leche flan. Kaya lang wala kami nung lanyera. Wala kami noon, and kailangan ko din ng malaking steamer kasi yung steamer na meron kami maliit lang. But we got 2 condensed milk. And then evaporated milk as well, dalawa. And we got soy sauce. Ito yung soy sauce namin, yung pang, sausaw, kikuman. And then, yung iba snacks na ipapatry ko kay Dan sa video. Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan, but yan, dito siya. Anyway, magluluto ako guys ng mussels. O mussels ba yun? Oh, it is organic! Certified organic mussels. So, yun yung lutuin ko tonight. Hala babe, this is kuan pala, frozen! Ang gagawa ako ng baked mussels eh. Ito na yung isang tray ng mussels. Si Dan, nag-ano pa siya. There. Wawa naman si Danny boy. Pero merong pang isa. There. So, binoil namin siya hanggang sa mag-crack siya. And then, tinanggal namin yung isang side. And then, lalagyan ko siya nito. So, this is a mixture of garlic paste and melted butter. And then, ito, cheese. So, ilalagay ko siya dyan. And then, ibibake ko siya for 30 minutes, I think. I-check ko pa yung instruction pet. Pero I think it's 15 to 30 minutes. So, yes, yummer! Tapos na! Looks so good. So, yung iba, nilagyan ko ng fried garlic. Tapos, yung iba, wala. So, like, yeah. And ito yung plate na Dan. Yummers! Kain tayo! First time ko magluto nito, guys. And I like it. Ooh, foggy. Bye! Hello, I'll close this vlog. I'm just about to edit a video. And it's 8:22 right now. So, siguro mga before 10, matutulog na ako. Bukas pupunta kami sa nursing home. Hindi kami magtatrabaho kasi parang siya, parang weird na day siya. Kasi Monday bukas may pasok. Pero Tuesday walang pasok kasi Anzac Day. dito sa Australia. So we decided na mag-team building and to go somewhere, and we decided to do the community service na pumunta sa nursing home. I have lip scrub on my lips, that's why it looks like that. I'm about to take it off, but I will close this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Do not forget to be good. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.